Hey y'all, now your girl Ashirifia.allinone this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today we have lice soup. Lice soup made with goat and chicken. To get started, we have chicken, goat meat, tomato paste, red and yellow onion, some ginger, Maggi Cube, garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, fresh thyme, and fresh parsley. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some of my vegetables to blend so I can steam my meat with. The goat meat gets steamed first because it's tougher than the chicken. Add in my fresh herbs, thyme and parsley, stems and all. My blendables, onion, garlic, ginger, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Salt to taste, a little Maggi Cube to kickstart the flavors, now that my goat meat is ahead of the game, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. Stir your chicken in, cover your pot to get the rawness out of your chicken. Now add your vegetables, the tomatoes, onion, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't add any water yet, just let it steam. Just like so. Push it down, you can see the water coming out of your vegetable. That's when you know it's just right. I'm going to blend it. Using a colander, I'm just going to strain my blended tomatoes, onion, and Scotch bonnet peppers to get all the pulps and the skin out. Rinse the debris out with a little bit of water. We are going to add our tomato paste. Stir it in and add some water to your desired thickness. I like my lice soup to be really light because when it sits overnight, it turns to get a little bit thicker. So the first day I want it to really be light. Our soup is basically done. Now we just need to add the finished touches like our Maggi Cube, salt to taste. Stir it in and let it sit and cook. Just like so. You know your soup is done when it starts to foam and oil starts to form on top. It's not Easter without some fufu and light soup. So, my friends, happy Easter to every single one of you. And I know that we cannot celebrate with our distant family, but let's make the best of what we have with our immediate family. So me and my family tonight, we are eating fufu and light soup with goat meat and chicken. As my son would say, mommy, is the Nkrankra ready? Yes, baby, it's ready. We finished cook. Come make me chop a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and tap that bell for all notifications.